Hi, so there is a classroom management app that is very simple to use. It's called Bouncy Balls. You go to bouncyballs.org um, and I'll just play it for you and we'll begin bouncing. What I like about this app, it pairs the visual of the balls bouncing with it has an auditory alert, so it'll tell the kids if they're getting too loud. I use it especially in the summer when I work with the younger students, and it goes up onto the screen, up to the whiteboard or up to the smartboard, and it's a visual reminder to them to keep the noise levels down when they're working in groups or working in various activities. So to show you how it works, I'm going to turn on the microphone. There we go. And as you can see, the balls start bouncing when I make noise. I can adjust the sensitivity level if I, don't want the balls to bounce and go crazy, but I could also raise the see, there it goes. I can raise the sensitivity level and it will tell you that it's too noisy. I can also turn off the noise alert so the kids don't get that visual sound, the visual or the sound, but I like putting that on, and I can have it as a beep, or I can also have it as a shush sign. One of the things that the kids like doing is whether it's different ones, there's plastic balls that can bounce all around. There's also just numbers. The bubbles are fun. The bubbles start up at the top and then will float down to the bottom. And their favorite is the eyeballs. And the eyeballs will jump up and down and say, oh, there I am. I've got to get quieter. So I can adjust the sensitivity, and also I can adjust how many how many objects are on the screen. Giant eyeballs everywhere. And the kids can pick which one they want to look at that day, and watch and have the visual cue for when they're getting too loud. I think the only IST standard for me, this one, is just sharing it with you guys. Just sharing a tool with my colleagues, 2.2C. But this is very simple to use, and it is a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy this one. The kids really do get a kick out of it.